Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful brown smoky eye with a nude lip. It's a perfect look for Diwali and you can wear it with pretty much any color of outfit. So I'm going to spend some time doing skin prep. You can see I've got some breakouts. My skin is looking a bit dull and tired. I've got the Estee Lauder ANR which always perks up my skin and hydrates it deeply. And I'm doing a bit of a massage just to boost the blood circulation as well as reduce the puffiness. After about 10 minutes of massage, I'm going to prep my skin with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This is a moisturizing primer that I love using in the winters. I'm going to conceal some of the dark shadows around my eyes before I start with the eye makeup, and this is just to help the eyeshadows show up better and not get blended in with the pigmentation. I'm also going to set the area around the crease and the brow bone with a little bit of powder. This is going to help my powders blend easily. Going in with a brown eye pencil, lining both the top and the bottom lash lines and waterlines, just to give a sort of like a soft smoky base and a bit of density to the lashes, and blending it out with a brush before moving on to eyeshadow. This is my current favorite palette. I love the matte colors, especially. You can see crazy pigmented. Right now there's an amazing sale going on Nykaa for Diwali. They have up to 50% off. Do check out the offers. They've got some amazing offers on pretty much every product I have used in this video. Now that I've blended out the two shades, a darker brown and a lighter brown in the crease, I'm adding a little bit of gel liner and smudging it just to make the lash line look a little darker than the lid color. Just ensure that you're not using too much because the black will otherwise overwhelm the look. And then finishing off with 2 coats of lashes on the top and bottom, and the eyes are done. Coming to the face, I'm going to use my favorite combination, which is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation with the M.A.C Strobe Cream. This gives you glow as well as good coverage and longevity. Using a bit of the M.A.C Studio Fix Concealer only in the inner corner of the eye to brighten. And before we move on to any other powder products, just gently setting everything with a powder. For my blush, I've chosen a color which coordinates with the eyeshadow, so it's an earth tone color. This is by K Beauty. Absolutely love it. And then using the Champagne Fizz highlighter, also by K Beauty, gives a beautiful, gentle and refined highlight. For the lip, going to do a bit of mixing. I'm using the Sugar Crayon in Creme Caramel. It's a beautiful rusty brown, and then using the M.A.C Spice Lip Liner just to define the edges, and to finish everything off using M.A.C Fix Plus, which is just going to give a nice hydrated glow to the skin. And then finishing off with a bindi, some earrings, and that's it. That is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do try this look out for any of the Diwali functions and let me know how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching and wishing you all a very happy Diwali.